What if I told you the future isn't coming? It's already here. Not in Silicon Valley, not in some distant science fiction film, but in China, right now, in 2024. Imagine waking up tomorrow in a world where every street camera sees smarter, every app understands you, and every service anticipates your needs because AI is everywhere, quietly running the show. Sounds like a Black Mirror episode? Think again. This is real. And it's happening at scale. China has just pulled off one of the biggest tech power moves in modern history. Its AI industry has exploded to a jaw-dropping $97.5 billion, growing at over 20% every single year. This isn't just progress, it's an AI takeover of the economy, society, and global influence. And here's the twist. This isn't just about cool gadgets or smarter software. This is a full-blown transformation where a nation is rewriting its future, one algorithm at a time. So how did China go from chasing the curve to setting it? From importing tech to becoming the AI superpower the world's watching? Strap in, because what you're about to hear is not just a story of growth. It's the playbook of a digital revolution. And if you want to know where the future of AI and global power is heading, you need to see this through to the end. Let's break it down. At the center of this explosive growth lies something massive: 1.123 billion internet users. That's nearly 80% of the entire population, including 161 million elderly and 322 million rural residents, people who were often left behind in previous tech waves. But not this time. This wide digital inclusion isn't just impressive, it's a strategic superpower. It means China has the world's largest living laboratory for AI. Companies can test, scale, and improve their products on a massive, diverse, and real-time user base. Every interaction, every click, every command feeds the machine, and the machine is learning fast. You've probably used ChatGPT or a similar tool, right? In China, this kind of interaction is now part of daily life. Over 80% of AI user activity is conversational, question and answer formats that make AI feel less like a tool and more like a companion. From office software that completes your work, to AI tutors reshaping education, from AI-generated novels and films to bots handling customer service like seasoned pros, generative AI is everywhere. It's gone mainstream. It's not a novelty anymore. It's utility-level technology, as familiar as electricity and Wi-Fi. But here's where it gets deeper. AI in China isn't limited to one sector. It's being woven into the fabric of every industry. Think collaborative workspaces where AI organizes and optimizes workflows. Smart education systems that personalize learning for millions. Industrial AI designing more efficient factories. AI-driven content studios producing news, music, and films in minutes. This is the creation of a smart ecosystem, an interconnected, AI-powered infrastructure that mirrors the complexity of an actual society. China isn't building one super AI. It's building a network of smart systems that think, learn, and evolve together. That's a leap beyond anything we've seen in the West. Here's the kicker. None of this is accidental, it's strategic. Just as China invested $231 billion into electric vehicles, it's now channeling aggressive support into AI R&D labs. Funded. AI startups. Backed. Enterprise adoption, subsidized. This is a state-guided, market-driven juggernaut, blending government vision with entrepreneurial hustle. In the West, tech often grows from the bottom up, startups disrupting the old guard. In China, it's both top-down and bottom-up, with alignment between policy and innovation. That's a dangerous combination if you're competing, and a powerful one if you're leading. Let's talk about global competition. China isn't just building AI for itself, it's challenging the United States and the West in nearly every major AI domain. From natural language processing to computer vision, and now to multimodal AI, China is pushing boundaries. It's not just about building smarter models, it's about deploying them faster, integrating them deeper, and solving real-world problems at scale. While Western companies fine-tune prototypes, China is putting AI into hospitals, farms, factories, and schools. The AI race isn't theoretical anymore. It's here. It's happening. And China is not just in the race, it's setting the pace. Of course, with great power comes big questions. China's AI expansion includes efforts to ensure digital equity, like bringing rural and elderly communities online. That's commendable. But the other side of the coin? Concerns about privacy, surveillance, and algorithmic bias are very real. Can a system this powerful avoid the pitfalls of data misuse? Can rapid AI expansion be balanced with ethical safeguards? China's challenge, and the world's, is how to embrace innovation without losing control. How to build intelligence without losing humanity. That's a question no country has fully answered yet. Here's the most game-changing part. China isn't just building AI, it's exporting a model of what an AI-led society looks like. From Southeast Asia to Africa, nations are watching how China integrates AI into governance, economy, and daily life. They're not just buying products, they're buying blueprints. And this shifts the global balance. This isn't just about tech competition anymore. It's about ideological competition. About whose vision of the future becomes the default. The AI arms race? It's not in the lab. It's in our societies. And China is out front, not just in building technology, but in defining how it's used. We're standing at a tipping point. China's $97.5 billion AI surge is more than a headline. It's the start of something seismic, the foundation of a new kind of civilization, one that's faster, smarter, more connected, and possibly more controlled. Will the world follow China's lead? Will the West catch up or chart its own path? Will AI be our greatest tool or our biggest test? One thing's certain, the future isn't waiting, and neither is China. If you find this breakdown eye-opening, smash that like button, drop your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more deep dives into the world's most powerful tech shifts. The AI revolution is already here. Let's stay ahead of it.